wait, hold on, give me that. Take scissors, man. Can you just for
yeah!
Come on. I can't pop it.
David, let it go. Let the balloon go.
Water hit me in the face. David. No. Go buy your own fucking balloon. Come on, let me try. Buy your own freaking balloon.
Oh,
Buy
come
a
on.
hole in his.
No.
Just one time.
Bad. Oh my god, no.
He's going to sing.
Okay.
You know, strange, my voice sounds a bit higher. I sound like a prepubescent boy.
Yeah.
Dude, come on, give me one.
Dude, come on, better.
You know, I sound really... I'm not gonna sing with this voice.
You can totally hit Draco's parts.
What?
Draco's parts from Ranger Danger.
What?
Oh my god.
Hang on.
No.
What the hell is this too sexy to sing about her? Sing. It's just a little makeup.
Inhale more.
No, guys, no, really.
Oh my god. Guys. Holy crap. I'm so excited.
Dude told us never to open the box.
So nice.
I sound like a Disney movie villain. Where's your Dalmatians?
Where would you get this?
You guys, stop. David, stop.
Hold on, wait.
Frank, you got the Price Busters? I'm gonna give me one.
Bring me the
I'm gonna give you
souls
one.
of 1,000 infant babies.
La 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 la. You can inhale the entire balloon.
Oh my god.
Hey, I'm Kobe. No, I'm
Hey
sorry.
guys. Bring me the souls of 1,000 infant babies.
You realize you can get a computer to do... You realize you can get a computer to do that without the balloon? Okay, let the rest... No, David, that's not what I meant.
You love this, really. Dude, I love him. Mine is wearing out though.
You sound like a dude from South Park.
How to cut my way. You're not inhaling enough of yours.
Goddamn
You
juice.
gotta take in a bit more of that stuff.
I do really. Do I really do have to?
You have to.
I have to
If
take
you
a
want, if you want the higher effect of your voice.
Alright.
And yours is still working.
Don't do it, no.
Waiting for life to begin. See, this is exactly what Nikki Badua sounds like. I have to shut it down. Oh my god. Here I am, face to face. Oh, now it's wearing off, you see?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
It wears off pretty quickly.
I can't believe that. That's so exciting.
I'm gonna do this again tomorrow.
No, wait for Friday.
Here I am, face to face with a situation I never thought I'd ever see. Change. I would just make a mess. Beautiful to me. Feels like my eyes have been transfigured. God.
Not finished? Now you're finished.
Da 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 da. Mike, Super Short Show.
Wait, what?
Hey Emily, doesn't this sound like Frankie Jonas?
Oh
my God! Ponyo! Ponyo!
Don't make fun of Frankie Jonas. She's totally awesome.
Hi. I'm Frankie. And I'm an alcoholic.
yeah.
Hi, Frankie.
My girlfriend Darla died last week.
Poor Frankie.
And my balls haven't dropped, yo. Now there you go.
You